Abby, welcome back to another video. God. And today we're playing Murder Mystery number 2. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Sorry, I'm really bad with this. So yeah. So let's see. Okay, whatever. Good enough. This is my sword. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember that. I tried to save people. Traded some bad things for a good thing. That's a good thing about trading. Get up. Oh, I'm sad. I love being I'm pretty good at sheriff, but I think I'm better than at murderer. Thank copyrighted music. Sorry, copyrighted music. I had to turn that off very quickly. Should have turned my things before I started this video, but it's fine. Should have turned off my volume before I started the video, but we're cool. We're cool. Oh god. Are you murder? Oh, is he murder? Is he murder? No, he's not murder. He didn't kill me. Okay, I don't think she's murder because I've been with her like twice. She hasn't killed me any of the times. I've been with this guy alone, so it's not any of them, I don't think. I don't think I've ever played the second bank. Ooh. Oh god, there's a dead person in here. There's probably a death trap, right? Wait, I already have 10 coins? How many coins do I have in this game? I haven't played this game for a while, actually. Kind of miss it. What? The door's open. Can you close? What? Door's open. Nice. Oh. I don't think I have a tail and everything. Okay, I need to get. Can I like sit in this? Am I doing that right now? I can't see anything. Okay, yep. That's not gonna work. Maybe this is. Nope, can't go through it. Sorry. Where is everyone? I can't find anyone. Okay. No, she died. Wait. What? Huh? What? What? Wait, what? Wait, what? 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 Okay, I'm gonna stop saying what, but seriously. She came up behind me. That's my face. Vote for this one. How much coins do I have? That's not shop. At least some. It's diamonds. Oh, I'm good. Okay. Oh good. Oh good. Oh god. Oh god. What am I doing? What am I doing? I wish I was a murderer. Don't be murderer. I'm serious. I spawned next to you. So don't be murderer. I hate when that happens. Like, I spawned next to the murderer. Once, it was only me and the murderer in the room, and the game just started. And I died straight away because I got spawned with the murderer. My luck is amazing. That's the first time I've ever gotten up here. No, don't push me off. This is my first time. You don't push me off. I'll push you off. It's kind of easy to get up now. Level 77. Ow. So why is everyone out here? I'm gonna go out here to see where the murderer is, and if I see the murderer, I'm just gonna run. I hate being by myself. I like being. Oh god. Oh god. Hug. 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 Wait, what? Did they die? Oh, I don't know what happened, but you know, we're all good. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, red. No. They used to be like something here. Oh god, no! What? Oh. So fast! You're bold. You also have an ugly face. Talk to the hand. I'm so nice. Hey, serious? I'm innocent again? The game is rigged. That's all I have to say, you know? I don't like this map. Oh, yeah. I died in a tragic way. Oh yeah, Amelia's not with me today because she's at home. I'm supposed to be at her house right now, but I said I want to go home, so I'm here now. And I wouldn't be doing this amazing, not cringy at all, YouTube video. Oh what? He get into all of them? And you are the letter. Huh? Oh god. No! 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 I'm good. You don't worry about. I have phlegm in my throat stuck. Why am I telling you this? It's just gross. Hey, Saint Nicholas. I don't wanna do anything. I wanna hold hands with this. Oh. Mm, mm, mm. Where? Okay. 2, 3. Damn it! I'm so close. Oh no! Don't move! Just now need to back. They were Happy Panda 1? Oh, wait, they open up the gate now? Oh. Can you get in that? I could help you get up. I can't even get up on the candy cane. How am I supposed to help him? My god, I keep... Wait, what? Wait, what? Can't you just... Not this map again! This game truly hates me. What am I doing? Oh, sorry, I moved that by accident. I'm gonna be able to notice. You come in, you're like, oh. What? Serious? Take a deep breath, Gabby. Take a deep. This is someone's tree. I want to plant. This is my tree. I have a tree. Oh, I have a tree. What am I doing? I'm here. Is it just pointing where my tree is? I'm clicking, clicking. Nothing's happening. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, that's right. I better let me up. Come on, man. Come on. You see how good I am at parkour? Are you serious? They are. No! No! This game hates me. Okay. Well, like I said before, make sure to subscribe and like this sad video. And subscribe to this poor, sad channel. Oh. Are you serious before you just jumping on that for no reason? Oh, it looks like a man. Just like I mouth. See? Do you see it? Maybe it's just me that sees it, but you know, I sees it. I sees it with my own eyes. Do you want to try to die or win? I want to try to win. And I also don't want this stupid map again. Who is spectate? Spectate! The hero! Oh, why is she so sad? She's so sad. Happy Panda was the sitter. On my foot. Got it. Okay, let's try to find Park Queen. I think that's who it is. Up there. Park Queen. You the man, girl. Oh. Your avatar kind of looks cool. Not as cool as mine! Actually, mine looks pretty bad. Wait, what? Oh, a knife. It's not again, and I'm innocent. I'm innocent. This game just doesn't get me. Someone kill me. Come at me, bro. Come at me. This time I need to find that gun. Please die, Sheriff. Sheriff, die. If this whole time I'm the sheriff. Straight notice it. Come on, Sheriff. Come on, murderer. Come at me. Yeah. I'm in a room where I'm by myself. I'm gonna go in the room to stay by myself. So then, someone comes. These two people are innocent, and I'm about trapped in here. Oh my god, I'm gonna get trapped in here with this guy. I think that other girl is the sheriff. Because only the sheriff can the vote, or else it's a new update. Update. You died? God damn it. Although, oh my god. Why do I yell? I'm really, really loud sometimes, you know. Grab my gun, funny cake. Don't name yourself after YouTubers. It's rude. I don't know why it's rude, but it is. Girl taking love, man. I'm taking it. Hey. Hey, I'm a YouTuber. My name is Cookie Craze. One of Cookie Craze. But my name